there. Ayan, para magkaroon ng espasyo at saka lumuwag siya. And so now it's fixed. Hindi na siya tight. Yun lang. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Moderoid, which came from the anime Shinkalion, Shinkansen whatsoever. But this is a new anime that I'm not familiar with, where there are trains that transform into mecha robot like this, and this is based on Dr. Yellow, which is in real life a diagnostic train in Japan. The purpose of that train is to check the railways for some defects, something like that, as I research about. So in the anime, they have these trains transform, and to be honest, I'm not familiar with the anime. I just watched some few clips, but I'm not that interested since it looks so childish. But I just like the mecha. So particularly with this Dr. Yellow here. Moderoid lines, they had this kit about 13 centimeters, so it's shorter than your average 1/100 scale kit. But this one, I think this is the biggest of them all, and it measures about 17.5 or 18 centimeters. So if we're going to compare it with this Gundam here, our average 18 centimeters model here, we got here the master grade RX 785, so they're almost the same height. So this is about 18 centimeters. And if we're going to compare it with the other Moderoid lines, since Moderoid lines are not scaled, they are non-scaled model kit. So we got here the Deer Stalker RXR from the Iron Saga, and of course this is taller. And we got here from the Knights and Magic, the Shendolimbo. So it's a bit taller than Shendolimbo. And this Promare here, we got here Leo the Gallon. Got here Leo the Gallon. So Leo the Gallon is of course a bit taller than Shinkalion. Dr. Yellow. Okay, this kit here, it doesn't transform into the train form, so hindi siya nagta-transform into train, and it's just in the mecha mode. And this kit is very sticker heavy. So all the things here that you can see are all made or all patched with stickers, especially the blue one here, the black dots there for the windows. These are all stickers. Even the yellow markings here in the guns are all stickers, which is very frustrating somehow, because I know Moderoid can do pre-painted parts, something like this. These are pre-painted gray and pre-painted gold on that dorsal part of the toe or the feet. These are all pre-painted, but they decided to make this all stickers. Even this one and the crest of the head, these are all stickers. This is pre-painted. So if they can do that, why not do all over the kit? Why not include all of the yellow parts of the kit. Anyway, this is not so. What I observe is this is not so popular among the Moderoid lines. That's why maybe they didn't focus on making it so detailed, because they think this will not be popular with the collectors. Okay, let's go with the articulation. So the articulation here, the head can rotate 360 degrees, but with some tightness on the neck, I cannot do that. And I don't want to do that because Moderoid plastic is a bit brittle. This release is a bit brittle compared with the newer Moderoid lines. And here in the shoulder part of the left arm, I can feel some tightness now because the plastic, the ABS plastic of Moderoid during the earlier releases is not that good. Yep, you can feel some tightness and a bit looseness on other joints, something like that. Okay, anyway, this arm here, this shoulder here can rotate 360 degrees, something like that. You can raise up to this far. Okay, also this part here can extend, something like that. The elbow can bend up to this far. Okay, only 90 degrees. And there's this flap here on the ball joint. Yep, this like an elbow armor. And you will notice that I changed the hands to the Dalin decal hand for 144 scale hand. So this is small, but I made some modification on this. I drilled the hole on the gun handle, where I put some peg on it to be latched on the Dalin decal hand. And these wheels here, or the train wheels, are not moving. It's just a decoration. And the waist can rotate, but not so much due to this structure here. Cannot twist it 360, but it can bend somehow like this and somehow like that. And here there's a front skirt armor that simultaneously open up because they are connected to each other. Then the legs can split up to this far. If we're going to bend this, and split up to this far, but there's some looseness on the joint here. So there's so many defects with this kit, and somehow it can rotate up to this far only, and the knees can bend up to that far, and the feet can swivel. These are ball joint. Yep, these are ball joint. Can swivel like this from side to side. Plantar extend, plantar flex in this manner. So the guns here, the guns can transform, by the way, can transform into a sword mode. So the gun here can transform something like this, and something like, need to raise this up to this far and put this down up to this far. So this is the sword or the melee mode weapon, and this is your gun mode weapon. So To be honest, I much like this melee mode, but for the purpose of demonstration, I also included this gun mode here for comparison. But during the display, I always keep it in the melee mode because this much look like unique than this which looks shitty. So thank you very much for watching this short review of this Shinkalion Dr. Yellow for Moderoid, and good luck finding this. Now it's hard to find. To be honest, I much like the Dr. Yellow with the R5 combination. So there's this green Shinkalion combined to this Dr. Yellow here, but it's only limited edition, and I think Moderoid don't release that anymore. Anyway, goodbye, God bless, take care, auf Wiedersehen, masalama, paalam sa inyong lahat. See you next time on my next review. Now it's fixed. What I did is I cut the shoulder ball socket there. There I put some cut there. Ayan, para magkaroon ng espasyo at saka lumuwag siya. And so now it's fixed. Hindi na siya tight. Yun lang, shake test. Lumuwag siya. Yep. Much better than a tight joint.